啲佢應該係做一啲好乖嘅動作，你先俾佢。咁樣你隻狗咧，將來就會有好好嘅行為㗎啦。
Yeah, well-mannered, obedient. Every time before you go outside, before you open the doors, open the cage, go out and play, or greeting people. That's very important. To have a safe, polite greeting.
係啦，咁你要教你個狗係有禮貌啦，即係每一次即係可能見到人啊，都要係打招呼，有禮貌。
And then once we get the established basics, then we can get on to the actual training now. The actual training is when we get the behavior. We get the behavior by luring or capturing. Right? Luring means just like
引誘、引佢哋啦，引佢哋。
有嗰個行為出現嘅時候咧 we need to mark the behavior.
係啦，咁其實如果你想教佢某一個好重要嘅動作咧，咁一定係要俾啲獎勵佢啦。但係隻狗一定要知道佢做緊邊一個動作先至有獎勵，
邊個係啱嘅動作啊？
係做一個啱嘅動作，因為隻狗可能同一時間做10個動作，都唔知邊個動作你係想要嘅。
冇錯啦，咁我哋
咁樣 how do you mark the behavior？
usually use or we use